Well, we're here again saying hi, Jamaica, hi, the world, hi, people, hi, everyone. Welcome to another production of the Paris Plumbing and Construction. And here we are in the hills again. And you know, we go from a semi, and you see the view, you know what time it is. Yeah, man, Stonewall time. So this is a Stonewall. Yeah. In a minute, I'll show you the artist behind the Stonewall. Not that one. Yeah. That's the man over there, genius. He's the one that putting it together. He's the one that making it work. And he's the one that is responsible for cutting all these stones, installing them, and put them into work. Yeah. So let me show you what's taking place on the right here. So that's the wall. For many people, they remember the wall when it's in its baby stage. When I used to show where we are in the stream of times. But it's still in its baby stage. It's growing, but it's not as big as we want it to be just yet. As I tell you guys, we're going all the way up to the top of this board. Yeah, almost to the sky right there. That's where we're going with it, and that's 16 foot. And we may go a little more to get the level up there. Yeah. Anyway, come with me. We're gonna look on Wagwan. Alright? So this is the back of the wall. That's what it look like. And this is how broad it is. It's about 6 foot broad. As you can see out there. It's really broad. Gone are the days we couldn't walk on top of this wall, but now we can. Now, as I was saying to you guys, this is the artist behind the work. The genius. The man. The one and only General.
Man of only, you know?
Yes, man.
Man of only.
This is him, man. And each of these stones are hand cut. You have to cut one stone 5 times to give it the shape. Yeah. So, you mark it with the pencil.
From scratch.
Yes, man.
No changes, no making a work.
And no machine, no machine.
Yeah, the machine of build this start. Yeah, but you been in a boat. Nothing must them.
Yeah.
Like four.
So, see to the top of the board right there, and cutting across right there. So it's gonna be full up right here.
I'm a rate Miguel, a long time, I'm the first time I know I'm a rate. I don't know you angle them a rate.
I can't angle it too much.
Yeah man, him jam me knife to throw my back.
Yeah man, so
Yeah, man.
see how straight it is.
I make him cut the hammer.
Straight. So this is the area that we're telling you that we're going to put the septic system. So this is the first part that is installed for it. So it's still going to be right in this area. Yeah man. So alright, so to all my YouTubers and my YouTube friends, this is where we're gonna cut this video. Before we cut it, I know that I told you guys I was gonna give you a video every Friday, but I've been missing out a few Fridays because of other activities. So sorry about that, man. But here you have it. This is a better view because now I am beside the wall and I'm on top of it. So there you have it right there. Stone wall in motion. Yeah. So we are doing what we're doing, making it work. Yeah. Making it work. Alright, so we're gonna see what the guys on the front are doing. Because yes, we're doing a wall in the front also. So we're doing a next wall on the front. So let me show you what's taking place on that side of the wall. Alright, so this is what's taking place on this side. These guys are putting in the work. And that's how hard it is. Real hard. Yes, man. Respect teacher. Alright, so there the wall is. Artists are behind it. Putting in the work. Yeah. It's coming to come. Anyway, in the meantime, between time, I want you to do the right thing. Like the video. And share it. So that it can reach many people. So they can see what we're doing here. And possibly get the same treatment where the wall is concerned. Some people like this kind of thing. I would like to do it. So, yeah. Until then, my YouTubers, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. This is us checking out, saying peace.